Let's go out walking, walking in the rain. 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 It's Wednesday morning and it's February 8 a.m. It's Wednesday morning, we should be in bed. It's Wednesday morning and we should be asleep. But all that rain outside my door makes me want to move my feet. Let's go out walking, walking in the rain. Let's go out walking, walking in the rain. Let's go out walking, make the most out of this day. Oh, let us go out walking, walking in the rain. Look, there goes Billy the Seal from the Lido up the road. And there goes Hope, a mermaid from Beaumaris, I am told. The 24-hour news and radio weather reports. The papers too give up freaker ghouls and warn us not to get caught. Or get caught walking, walking in the rain. But I don't mind if we get caught walking in the rain. No, I don't mind getting caught up in the rain. I've nowhere to go, so I'll make the most of walking in the rain. And then, when we get back home, cold and all soaked through, I have a great idea what we should do. We should take off all our clothes and get dry from this rain. Then I think, you know my dear, we should do it all again. We should go out walking, walking in the rain. We should go out walking, walking in the rain. We should go out walking, make the most out of this day. Oh, I don't mind where we may go, let's go walking in the rain. No, I don't know where we should go, let's go walking in the rain. Well, thank you very much.